The auto dimming feature on my 2005 Chrysler Town & Country has failed in that now it is permanently in the dimmed position. I managed to pick up a mirror that is the right one from the local auto wreckers, and I'll show you here the difference. The bad mirror has a definite yellow tint to it, and the good mirror is still nice and clear and uncolored with that yellow tint. You'll also notice that if you happen to be searching for an auto dimming mirror at your local auto wreckers, the bezel around it is a fair bit thicker than the bezel for the mirrors of the ones that are simply heated or have no heat or auto dimming function at all. So this bezel is looks like it's approximately 3/16 of an inch, whereas the ones that you'll find that don't have the auto dimming function are about 1/8 of an inch. So the way that this works, how it's held on, is if you see those 4 fingers in the middle of the circle, or making a square shape in the circle. Like here's one at the end of my finger. Those slots fit over tabs that are inside the mirror, and so the way that we remove the mirror from their mount inside the mirror is to lift up in the space between the mirror and its surround. I decided that I would use a pry bar that is normally used for pulling nails because it has a nice wide flat but thin surface, so that I can apply pressure straight up with less risk of breaking the glass as I do it. Because I'm replacing this mirror anyway, I'm not all that concerned about breaking the glass, but I might as well do it with the least amount of damage possible. I'm going to have to put down my phone in a minute so I can do it likely. So now I'm inserting this pry bar underneath the bottom of the mirror. I'm going to push it in there, and I'm going to use it to pry up. Going a little bit further, pry straight up. There, it just popped. Now, I'll put down my pry bar and pull out on the mirror. There, now the whole thing comes off. Now you can see those 4 fingers where these tabs were inserted into. Now all I need to do is disconnect it here. The 2 single spade connectors are for the heated part of the mirror, and that other plastic connector is for the auto dimming feature, and you simply grab hold of both sides and pull them apart. Now I needed 2 hands to do that, so I had to stop recording, but that is what we are left with. Now it's a matter of grabbing the good mirror and making the connections and then popping it back in place. Here's a shot as to show how obvious it is which one is damaged by the auto dimming feature stuck in the dimmed position. The yellow one is permanently dimmed now, and the one that's reflecting the blue sky, that's the good one. Now I've made those 3 connections, the 2 single connections for the heated part of the mirror, and the 2-wire connection for the auto dimming feature. So now I'm going to put it in position. I think that's in. I'm going to push it straight down, and I think we will be good.